Hi cuties, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to see an interesting topic. Hope you all love. Come, let us start the video. First, I will give you one clue. You are going to find what is that. Okay? It sounds meow. What it sounds? Meow. Think what it sound is this? Which sounds like this? Yes, right. Cat sounds meow. First, we are going to see about cat. First, we are all going to see about cat. Where do cat lives? Right, cat lives in both home and forest. Okay. Next, what does cat drink? What cat loves to drink? Yes, cat loves to drink milk. Right? Okay. Next, what are the time cat will be very active? You know, in our house we all seen the cat only in the morning time, but the cat are also active in both morning and night times. Do you all know that? Do you all know that? Cat will be active in both morning and night times, right? Okay. Next, we are going to see the baby cat. What is the name of the baby cat? How do we say the baby cat? We use the word kitten or kitty. We use the baby cat as kitten or kitty. Okay, right? Now, we are going to learn the spelling. What are all the alphabets in the cat? Okay, first letter is going to be C. What is the first letter? C. How do we pronounce it? K. What? K. Repeat it again. C. K. Okay. What will be the next letter? A. How do we pronounce it? A. A. Repeat it. A. The last letter is going to be T. T. How do we pronounce it? T. T. Have you all got it? I will repeat it once again. C. K. A. T. T. Okay. While joining these three letters, we get cat. C-A-T. Cat. Have you all seen the cat? Where do you see the cat? Yes, right. We used to see the cat in a home. Now, we are going to see the cat in a video. You are going to see the cat nearby me. You are all very eager to see it, right? Okay, let us see the cat. How it is? What you have seen the video? You all saw the cat, right? How does it sounds? I already told you, no? It sounds meow. Right. How does it lick? Like this, it was licking their hands. Like that only it used to drink milk. Okay. Next we are going to see about dog. Next we are all going to see about dog. How does dog sounds? How does dog sound? Do you know? Come, let us all make a sound like a dog. How does dog sounds? Wow. How does dog sounds? Wow. Okay. It is also a pet animal, right? It is also a pet animal. It also lives in home and forest. We all love to grow a dog inside our house, right? Dog also will be treating us as a friend. It seems so? Yes, right. It sounds. How does it sound? I already told you, no. Make a sound like a dog. Oh. Okay, right. What does a dog do? Think about it. Why do we grow dog in our house? Have you all think about it? Okay. What does a dog do? It protects our house from thief, right? For that only we are growing a dog. I love dog. Do you love dog? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to learn what are all the letters make the word dog. Okay. First letter of the dog is D. First letter is D. How does we pronounce it? D. Repeat it again. D. The second letter is O. Second letter is O. How we pronounce it? O. Okay. The third letter is G. The third letter is G. How we pronounce? G. How do we pronounce it? G. The letter D, O and G. Joining we have a dog. Finally we got the word dog. Okay. Now let us see dog in the video. See students, what you are looking here will be dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is also one of my favorite pet animals. I love dog very much. Do you all love dog? Okay. How does dog sounds? How does dog sounds? How does dog sounds? See? What you are seeing here, this is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. What does dog do? Do you remember? I already told you, no. What does dog do? Dog protects our house. Dog protects our house. How does dog sounds? Bow. How does dog sound? Bow. Have you all enjoyed? Have you all enjoyed by seeing the dog? Right? Okay. What is the next animal we are going to see? I'll give some clues. Okay? We are going to see the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? Have you all got it? Who is the king of the jungle? I'll give you another example. It roars. What does it do? It roars. I hope you all find it. Yes, right. It is a lion. Now we are going to see about lion. Where does it live? I already told you, no. Where does it live? Yes, right. It lives in the forest. Where does it live? It lives in the forest. Okay. And next thing we are going to learn is, what does it eat? What does it eat? Lion eat only meat. You all seen in the Discovery Channel, right? What does lion do? The lion running fastly and chasing the other animals, and it used to eat. So and so, lion only eats meat. Okay? It is a carnivorous animal. You all got it? Carnivorous animal. Only carnivorous animal lives in forest. Okay? And it also eat only meat. The next thing we are going to see about lion is, lion have two friends. The two animals are the only friends of the lion. What are all the animals? The tiger and the bear are the most friend of lion. Okay, let us learn the spelling of lion. The first letter of the lion is L. First letter is going to be L. Let us all pronounce L. The letter L is going to be pronounced like L. The next word is I. The next letter is I. How do we pronounce it? I. How do we pronounce it? I. Shall we all repeat it once again? L. 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 I. Say it again. Okay. Shall we move on to the third letter? O. What is the third letter? O. How do we pronounce it? How do we pronounce it? Repeat it once again. The fourth letter is going to be N. What is the fourth letter? N. How do we pronounce it? N. How do we pronounce? N. Shall we all repeat it once again? L. L. I. O. N. N. L-I-O-N. Lion. Now you all get ready. You are going to see a lion in the screen. Come, let us all see lion. Students, what you are seeing inside the screen? What is this? What is this? This is a lion, king of the forest. What is this? This is a lion. I am so very scared about lion. You all scared about lion? Yes. How does it sound? It horrors very noisy. It horrors very noisy. Next we are going to see about what? I'll give you a clue, right? It sounds backpack, 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 backpack. What is sound? Okay, I'll give you another example. It is a bird. What is it? It is a bird. Have you all find it? Okay, I'll say it is a duck. What is it? It is a duck. It is an aquatic bird. It is a aquatic bird. Even though duck is a bird, it cannot fly. Even though duck is a bird, it cannot fly. Okay, the next thing is the baby duck. What is the name of the baby duck? How do we call it a baby duck? We call it as ducklings. We call it as ducklings. Okay. Duck also lives in both fresh water and sea water. It also lives in both fresh water and sea water. Finally, we are going to see the alphabets inside the duck. The first letter of the duck is D. What is the first letter? D. How do we pronounce it? D. Say it once again. D. The second letter is going to be U. Second letter is going to be U. How do we pronounce? How do we pronounce? A. How do we pronounce? A. The third letter is C. The third letter is C. How do we pronounce? I already told you no. How do we pronounce C? Yes, right. K. How do we pronounce? K. The third letter is K. And finally, the last letter is K. What is the last letter? K. How do we pronounce? K. How do we pronounce? K. D U C K. Duck. D U C K. D A K K. Right. Okay. This is the information about duck. Now we are all going to see here what we are going to see. Yes, right. We are going to see the duck. Let us all enjoy and come back. What you are seeing now? It is an aquatic bird, duck. Now we are seeing aquatic bird, duck. I already told you that duck cannot fly. Do you know why? It is because of their feet. See their feet. It used only to swim. It cannot fly. Okay. Have you all enjoyed seeing the duck? Right? It sounds like back, 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 back. You all enjoyed it? Okay. The next we are going to see about shark. What we are going to see? Shark. Shark does not eat humans. Shark does not eat humans. Where do shark lives? Do you all know that? Where do shark lives? Shark is a fish. Right. Shark is a fish. Okay. Where do fish lives? You all know? Where do fish lives? Yes. Right. It lives in sea water. Right. It lives in sea water. Even though shark don't eat humans, it used to attack animals. Sorry, attack humans. It also attack humans. White shark is the largest shark. Okay. Now it's time to learn the letters inside the word shark. The first letter is going to be yes. The first letter is going to be yes. How do we pronounce? How do we pronounce yes? S. How do we pronounce? S. Repeat it. S. Yes. S. The second letter is H. The second letter is H. How do we pronounce? H. Second letter is H, and how do we pronounce? H. Okay. The third letter is A. The third letter is A. How do we pronounce? A. The third letter is A, and how do we pronounce it? A. The fourth letter is R. Fourth letter is R. How do we pronounce? R. How do we pronounce it? R. Okay. Repeat it once again. R. R. Okay. The last letter is going to be K. Last letter is K. Let us all pronounce the letter K. K. How do we pronounce? K. S H A R K. Shark. Repeat it again. S H A R K. Okay. Next, we are going to see the shark. You are very eager to see the shark. Come, let us all enjoy the shark. How does it lives in the water? Have you all seen the shark? Okay. The next we are going to see about. Have you all have an idea about what we are going to see next? Okay. I'll give some clues. It sounds sh. How does it sound? Sh. Hope you all find it out. The next we are going to see about snake. We are going to see about snake. It is a carnivorous animal. Sorry, it is a carnivorous reptile. There are more than 3000 types of snake are there. How many? 3000 types of snake are there. Okay. How does snake sounds? I already told you no. Do it once again. How do snake sounds? Very good. Shh. Okay. Now let us all learn the alphabet in the word. First letter is S. First letter is S. First letter is S. The second letter is N. The second letter is N. N. What is the second letter? N. The third one is A. The third one is A. How do we pronounce? A. The fourth letter is going to be K. How do we pronounce? K. The third letter is K. And how do we pronounce it? K. And finally, the fifth letter is going to be E. What is the fifth letter? E. How do we pronounce? How do we pronounce? S N A K E. S N A K E. Now we are going to see the snake and how does it sounds. You are all going to see the snake. Come, let us watch. See here. What is this? Right. This is a snake. How does snake sound? Listen to it. How does it sound? This is a carnivorous reptile. Have you all enjoyed by watching snake? How many of you got scared about seeing the snake? Yes, me too. I too very scared about seeing the snake. Okay, what will be the next animal? Guess it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And the next animal is going to be, we are going to see about, look it here, what is the animal given in the display? Yes, the next one is going to be the rhinoceros. What is the next animal? Rhinoceros. Okay, keep waiting. Let us all meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.